Would you be willing to take a $1,000 cut to your paycheck? No? How about 600? 200? Nobody willingly says, I'll take less, please. Yet, isn't this what we do? We buy things on credit, we borrow against our overdraft because we want something right now. We aren't willing to plan ahead and save for the things that we want. Instead, we go into debt. The average household has a combined debt of $133,000. I want you to think about where your family falls into that average. Yet there is hope. You can get out of debt and stay out of debt. Before I chose to create a budget for my family, I believed that we couldn't do it. I believed that we didn't have a penny to put away on our savings. I believed that we were tighter than tight. The truth is, everyone, no matter their circumstances, can and should create a budget, a plan for their family finances. Once I had a change of heart, nothing could stop us from succeeding. You see, it wasn't about money, not how much we made, how much we owed that made the difference. No, it was my attitude. We had about $7,000 on our student loans, $17,000 on automobile loans, $32,000 on a second mortgage, and $130,000 on our home mortgage. Once I decided to take the invitation from my husband and create a budget and manage our money together and our spending with purpose, something magical happened. Suddenly, we found all kinds of ways to cut back on our spending, and within 4 years, I repeat, 4 years, we had everything paid off. Now we live like nobody else. How did we do that? I'll give you the step-by-step way that we did it in the next few minutes. Conclusion. Through hard work and determination, anyone can get out of debt and stay out of debt. The key is a positive attitude and a willingness to change the way we see money and how we use it. Ask yourself, do you want to live like no one else? Do you want the freedom to be able to take off on a trip? Take the challenge today. Start by making a budget and spending and saving your money with a purpose. Thank you.